You may not have heard of this recipe before. It's called basoy from the Visayas. And here is how to make it. We are making a dish said to be from the Visayas. And this is like a mix of meat, lamang loob, and pork blood. It's called basoy, but I remember eating this nung bata pa ako. So ito, meron akong pork dito, which is just diced, and it's a bit fatty, no? No oil. I just want to render the fat a little bit. And this is a very simple soup, and I'm just cutting my pork livers into strips. And what you can do to remove the medyo metallic flavor is to soak it in salted water, which I will be doing. So I'm just having my pork here, my pork liver, and I'm adding salt, lamas-lamas ng salt, no? And we will wash it in a bit of water, no? Let it rinse. And a little bit of salt just to season our pork. And to the pork, I will add a little bit of oil, konting oil lang, para mag-brown na siya ng konti. Habang ihahanda ko yung aking mga konting ricados, which is ginger, luya, or luya sa Bisaya pa, garlic, which I will just smash, and I just want all these aromas to come alive. So, very simple lang tong putahin na to. Sangkot siya natin yan. Add our garlic. Chop natin ng konting garlic. And add our garlic and a red onion. So, ang aking makompare dito sa basoy, para siyang malapit yata sa batchoy Tagalog. Who knows the recipe of batchoy Tagalog? So, it's quite similar, but I don't know if it is related, no? So, alam mo, ang daming recipes sa kasi na have grown out of fashion because the modern people, yung mga kabataan, have not been introduced to it anymore kasi wala nang nagluluto sa bahay. And onion, mix natin, no? Mabango na ang ating pork. And now, I can add our liver. Ang liver kasi, pag na-overcook, nagiging matigas at grainy. The best for this is really the pork kidney. Aray ko yan. Look at that, no? So, this one is soaked in very salty water. Gisa-gisa natin. And now, we will add our water. So, ito, importante dito. Papakuluin natin hanggang lumambot yung ating pork. So, this is soupy, ha? So, medyo masabaw to ng konti. Yan. And in the meantime, tatakpan ko to para lumambot yung ating pork. And let us check. Yan, no? Our soup is now taking shape beautifully. Now, we will finish, no? So, ito siya. May options tayo sa greens. Pwedeng petchay, pwedeng dahon ng sili, pwede din leeks. So, we will choose our dahon ng sili and our leeks for this. So, I will just chop my leeks. Okay. And now, meron tayong pork blood. Ito, tingnan mo, coagulated pork blood, ha? Yung bubutong pork blood, ha? Hindi siya yung blood na yung tubig-tubig. So, all I will do here, I'll just cut it into pieces. Para siyang gelatin, no? And I will just drop it into our pot of boiling water, our broth, as much as possible. Ayan, no? And let that boil. Hindi siya lalabas na dinugan because our blood is curdled. Yan. And now, titimplahan natin ng konting patis. And para sa ating ninamnam, ang ating paboritong Maggi Magic Sarap that gives it all the flavor and umami you need. Yan. And season natin ang ating soup with our Maggi. Clean up our soup. Masarap ito. And I think luto na yung ating sabaw. No? To finish, we will add our dahon ng sili, chili leaves, our leeks. So very similar sa ating batchoy Tagalog. But this is how I remember eating basuy and our miswa noodles. So, sa bahay daw namin, walang miswa noodles. And look at that. Let that simmer for a little while. And para sa konting anghang, lalagyan natin ng siling pangsigaw. And this reminds me of my lolo. And eto siya, pwedeng ulam. Pwede din siyang merienda, eaten with pandesal. And look at that. A very nice, light soup, but still very hearty and delicious. Let's clean up and we'll be serving it after I add some black pepper. Pepper na lang ito kulang nito. It's going to be perfect. Napakabango at napakasarap nito. Ito. And sometimes, alam mo, usually we remember mga dishes like this. Nami-miss natin itong mga dishes sa ganito when we miss someone or the family or some occasions we share with our loved ones. This is a very nice soup. It's something for all of you to discover if you haven't heard of basuy. I'm ready to taste. Nagugutom na ako dito. Lalo pag, napakasarap nito. Alala ko yung lolo ko dito na recipe, minus the luya. My lolo hated luya. Pero for me, I love the luya. And I'm going to taste. Ang sarap dito pag may kasamang kumain. At masaya yung mga kasama mo. Eto, perfect. Merienda. Pwede ito sa merienda. Pwede din tong ulam. Pwede din pang hangover. Very nice. Oh, ang sarap nito. Lalo pag may kasama kang kumain. And this is our recipe for today. Maraming versions ito. But this one is my version. As I remember it. Plus the miswa. Oh my. Masarap to. A little spicy. A very comforting bowl of soup. Clean, gingery broth, tender meat, noodles, and a bit of spice. Eto siya. You should try it at least once in your life. The Visayan Basuy. Simple.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.